Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back in Vegas. 39 hours. It took me to drive 36 hours from Tampa Bay, Florida to Las Vegas. I am a zombie right now, but I'm going to the gym. Right now, I am extremely tired, and that's probably why I haven't been making videos the last few days. But today I wanted to talk to you guys about buying the dips. It's a very common phrase in cryptocurrency and stocks, and I think it translates to all of life. Now, what buying the dips means, for those of you who don't know, buying the dips means anytime that there's like ups and downs in cryptocurrency stocks and all that stuff, you always want to buy when it's low, right? So anytime you kind of assume that there's like a medium, for example, for me, in the XRP coin, I think $1.10 is about like the medium right now. Anytime it drops below that is when I buy the dip. I always try to buy as much as I possibly can. Obviously, you don't want to overcommit. But what this can translate to in life, and I think this is a very important lesson for anyone who's an entrepreneur, independent contractor, anyone who's working towards something. There's always going to be ups and downs in life. There's always ups and downs. Life is never just a stagnant line. I mean, it's probably more stagnant maybe if you're a W-2 employee and life is always just go to work and then you get a paycheck and life's pretty consistent. But as an entrepreneur, there's always ups and downs. There's for me, there's contracts we get. Sometimes I don't get any contracts for a long time, like 2020. We didn't get anything. It was like a very low dip, and I feel like it was probably a very low dip for everyone. But what I did, and what I think everyone else needs to do whenever there's down times in life, is when you need to push twice as hard. It's when you need to really crack down, smarten up, advance yourself as a human, and just wisen up and do your absolute best. When times are tough, that's when you need to double down and really, really buy the dip. You know, a lot of times when I wasn't getting any contracts, I knew, okay, this is the time where I need to really either focus on other things or continue to consistently make sales calls and call people, try to sell more shows. For you guys, it could be doubling down on your money, driving twice as much, driving twice as smart, maybe. Probably driving twice as smart is a better way to put it, actually. And really look towards making something more of yourself during those dips, because when people, I see this all the time, when things are good, people start spending. They almost force the dip to come because they spend so much. When they make a lot of money, they think oh, there's never going to be another down. I've seen this happen a million times. And for me, it's happened a million times. It took me, 8 years to finally learn my lesson to stop freaking splurging when life is going up. You know, you always got to focus. You always got to be putting in that consistent effort. And when there's that dip, when the times are tough, that's when you need to really double down on your investments. Now, right now is an up. I feel like, especially in the crypto world, everything is up really high. A lot of the coins are at all-time highs. Personally, just for those of you who are interested, I have the majority of my portfolio is in XRP coin, and we're sitting at around $6,000 to $7,000. I think it's at $6,400 right now. And I've been buying every time I see that coin go below $1 or just $1.05 or something. I think now's the time to really crack down. And then I also have Bitcoin. Not that much. I don't know. For me, it's just not that exciting of a coin. Ethereum, I just feel like I need to have Ethereum, to be absolutely honest. I feel like those are my main three coins. And then, of course, I have a lot of money in Shiba Inu. And a lot of people gave me stuff for don't buy shit coins and stuff. But it's okay. There's a trend. And if you start to see a bunch of YouTubers and other people pushing a coin, in my opinion, if you can get in early, which I did, I saw a moment where I was one of the first 10 viewers on one of Graham Stephan's videos to watch the Shiba Inu video, and I was sitting there I have to buy this coin right now because this guy has so much influence that the coin has to go up a little bit, right? I didn't think it was going to triple in value over the next few, I think it was like a week later or something like that. But anyways, I have some Shiba Inu, and that's it. I just have those 4 coins. But anyways, I felt like I needed to make a video today because it's been about 4 days, and as I had a lot of time to myself. Driving 36 hours from Tampa to Las Vegas was like a nightmare. It seemed like it took forever. It was less than 2 days. But man, that drive through freaking Texas is so boring. I'm gonna post my story yesterday because I was going crazy. I was literally just looking around and I was like, there's literally nothing here. It's just like you're driving through the middle of nothing for the longest time. And everyone who was watching my story thought it was the funniest thing, but I was just like pointing out how scenic Texas is. It's not scenic. Anyway, so hopefully I just wanted to give you guys like an update on everything and give you guys one of the most important lessons that I've learned was like continuously putting in effort when times are down. Like last year, I went through a very major dip in life because all of my shows got canceled because 2020, COVID canceled everything. And I took that time to really focus on other things like my YouTube channel and the footwear company. And I knew eventually shows were going to come back. And that's always been my main source of income. And fortunately, they're back, and I don't want to curse anything, but we will be doing a show at the Temecula Mall. I'm not sure of the exact time. That is November 13th, Temecula, California, by the way. So if you're in Temecula, come check out our show. I'll be dressed up as a freaking elf. I hate those elf suits, I gotta be honest, but somehow we always keep ending up in these freaking elf suits. So Temecula, November 13th, if you want to come check me out there. San Antonio, November 25th through 28th, I believe, is our shows. It's a circus. And then we will be going around the country doing a lot of different tour dates after that. So, anyways, hopefully you guys took some kind of advice, learned something from these videos, and if you do, and you enjoy my channel, please consider subscribing and smashing the like button for me because it helps out my channel a lot. And we will see you guys the next one. I am pulling up to the gym. I am going to be a zombie working out right now. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but man, I have not slept at all for the last couple days. So we'll see you guys the next one. I'm going to go fall asleep in the gym. All right, peace, guys.